In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove or uninstall Equity mobile app from your smartphone. If you no longer need this app, maybe because of security issues or you don't want to use the Equity app, then it's pretty simple. You can now uninstall it. To uninstall it, just go to your phone and go to your apps and find where your Equity mobile app is. As you can see, mine is here. To uninstall it, just long press on it, and now you can see you have an option to uninstall it from here. By tapping on uninstall, this will remove the app from my phone together with its files. However, you will not lose any information. On the other hand, if you don't have this option, then you should see this app info or a settings gear here. Just tap on it to uninstall, and if I tap on it, it will take me to the app info. I can install it from here. So I'll use the first method. I'll just long press on the app and confirm, and if I install, that is it, the app is gone. So that's how you can do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.